So this is how the air fried chickpeas looks like. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious crunchy chickpeas snacks. So this is chickpeas that is already washed. I'm washing it before cooking, and I'm using this Goya chickpeas, also known as garbanzos beans. So the already washed chickpeas is ready for cooking. I'm just going to add some water and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so wherever you're watching this video from, I want you to write in the comment section what you think about this video and which country you are watching from. So chickpeas is very nutritious. It contains a lot of nutrients, as you can see on the screen. Vitamin B6, B9, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and of course it's a plant-based protein. Chickpeas is a plant-based protein. After cooking for like 10 to 15 minutes, you can poke the chickpeas with your fork like this. So once it is soft, that means it's ready for frying. So next I'm going to drain the water and spread it out on top of this kitchen towel like this so I can dab it dry. So once it's dry, I'm going to introduce it into the air fryer. I'm using air fryer to fry it. If you like, you can fry it the normal way, but I'm using air fryer, which makes it healthy. So I'm spreading my parchment paper into the air fryer basket like so. I think it's better for me to just pour everything in at the same time. So after pouring it in, I'm going to add some seasoning like salt, paprika. I already added salt when I was cooking, so I'm just going to add paprika or cayenne pepper, whichever one you like. I like it spicy, or if you like, you can leave it without adding any pepper. So I'm adding paprika and oregano leaves to it to spice it up a little bit. Next, I am adding some olive oil. Yeah, this chickpeas is going to be an anointed chickpeas. Jokes aside, it's just to aid the air frying. So add 2 teaspoons of olive oil like so, and mix it thoroughly before putting it back into the air fryer to start the air frying. So once the air frying starts, after like 10 minutes, I'm going to bring it out now to mix it so that the other side of the chickpeas can also be fried, and so that some of it don't get burnt. So mix it thoroughly like this, and then put the basket back into the air fryer to continue frying for another 10 minutes. So I'm bringing it out again just to check So make sure it's fried. It's almost done. You can see it's looking very fried and brownish. It's ready. Yeah, I'm just going to mix it one more time and allow it to fry for another 3 minutes. Yeah, you can see that it's looking very brownish now. Almost ready. Just allow it to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, and the chickpeas will be ready to serve. So now my chickpeas is ready. You can see it looks well brownish, golden color. That golden color tells you it's well fried. Chickpeas taste just like peanuts, and it's very filling. You can eat it as a snacks, and you can also add it to your salads. Check my other video on chickpeas and avocado salad. You will see how I used it in my salad. So chickpeas are very good for pregnant women who have cravings to always eat something. So if they eat this chickpea, it's going to keep them full and also moves the bowel also. It's good during pregnancy, and the nutrition or the nutritious content of chickpeas is also healthy for the baby, the growing baby. Hello, so this is the product of the air fried chickpeas. Yeah, so like this video, share with your friends and family. This is a very healthy snack. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button. Also click the notification button. Share with your friends. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.